We are pleased to show you the 2015 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.